Okay, so we are talking about base today. I will share with you two base routine foundation face routines. This one, which is for more when I go out, when I use a bit more coverage. I want to conceal more and stuff like that, and one in which I don't use actually foundation, which I will probably post soon as well. Something good for summer, all the products I love, and yeah. And I'm starting with my e.l.f. primer oil. I like to use this one underneath my foundations because it just makes the skin smooth, nice, and it's not making the foundation look cakey or like too much. It's more of a dry oil formula, so it will be nourishing, but it kind of sinks in and it's not as emollient. And you guys need to let me know if you tried a face oil before, or if you're curious to try one, or if you tried the e.l.f. one that I created for the Retro Paradise. As a foundation, I'm using my Milk Flex foundation. I like this for summer especially because it's more on the... It's not really matte, it's more like a satiny kind of finish, and it stays well throughout the day, and I feel like it's not like accentuating my smile lines and stuff like that, and gives me lots of coverage too if I need that, if we are going out. And of course blending everything with my e.l.f. beauty sponge. And I feel like this is particularly good with the e.l.f. face oil. I don't know, the formula just glides on beautifully, and they mix together nicely, if you know what I mean. For concealer, I do have two favorites right now that I use constantly. It's my NARS and e.l.f. Hydrating Camo. So I will use the e.l.f. one today, but this one I will use in my next face routine. I still don't apply a lot because this has a lot of coverage. Just basically what I needed. Even if I want a bit more coverage, I still like to keep it light. So I'm just blending everything. I still want the skin to be shown and the texture and everything, because this is skin. Skin has texture. Powder, surprise surprise, Givenchy one that I use constantly. It's just really good, and I like that it has the green and like this kind of color correcting particles, colors. Whoa. So moving on to contour and bronze, lately I've been like obsessed with the HudaBeauty Tantour in Fair, even though it's not the color that I usually gravitate towards because it's quite warm, as you can see. But I don't know, something about this just works, you know, just works. Makes my skin kind of bronzy and warm, and I don't know, I just... So far, I like this effect. So I'm just applying this as a bronzer, contour, and a bit of blush, like all in one, because I will not use a blush. And the formula really just blends itself, so that's good. Now for highlighter, I do have three favorites at the moment. So the Givenchy Charlotte Tilbury Spotlight and JennyHouse Beige. These are kind of the same, almost. I feel like this one has a bit more shimmer in it. This one is a bit more subtle, but kind of the same. This one is the like OG highlighter, the best of the best. Looks so fresh, so dewy, natural, not like shimmery or anything like this. This one is my number one, and these are my number two. And I will use a little bit the JennyHouse one. Now to set everything, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury face mist. This is hardcore. It's so strong, keeps the makeup in place even now in this heat. The face is kind of completed. Now I will apply just a little bit of mascara. This is my Guerlain Mad Eyes. And a little bit of Jelly Pop in Watermelon Pop, Juicy Gloss. It smells so good. And that's it. This is my summer foundation routine. Still natural, but with a bit more coverage, and all the products that I love to use at the moment because it's hot. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this routine. Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!